And we're doing this live in the studio.
You want an acapella verse?
We're going acapella, and we got the beats by Renee. And a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4.
God damn, that boy Renee fucking tripping. That boy is slipping. He laying out. He drink too much. He got Angela to the left, but I'm being me. I'm fucking Jib. But they don't know that, man. I'm gonna fucking get my fucking government name in this fucking bitch. I don't give a fuck. I got my boy Presto in this fucking bitch. But I'm gonna say my name. I'm being real. My name is JB, not Holdsfield. Don't bite my ear. Don't bite my tip. I'm just being real, man. I'm about to fucking rip. About to go the fuck in. Hey, cause the fucking acapella. Hey, but I'ma switch it up to 2016. Cause I'm about to go in. I ain't got no heart. Fuck those horse. Not horse.
Yeah.
Hey, don't fuck the horse, but fuck the bitches. Cause they always be fucking switching. Hey.
Right now, we want to give big ups to the beat master, Renee, the rap master, JB, and the record master, Presto.
Presto on the beat, ho. I'm a fucking fucking bitches, ho. I don't know, but I'm not a fucking freestyler, but I am a rapper, so we gonna get it. It's like a fucking, hey, I don't get it. This fucking score is fucking humongous. In a sense, it's fucking great because he fucking put the twos up. Put the twos up. Put the twos up. Put the twos up. Put the twos up.
What?
Put the twos up.
Yo.
Put the twos up.
What?
We in 402.
Huh?
Put the twos up.
Yeah.
I ain't tripping, man.
Nate gets it.
Hey.